Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about messaging. Messaging is a very important part of being a student at Aquinas. Messaging makes it so that you can have instant communication between you and your teachers, and it's a key way to be able to make sure that these messages are kept privatized between you and your teacher. Please note that your parents can view these messages, and it is an important part of being an Aquinas student, is knowing that the communication that's taking place, that you and your parents are confident that this communication has been followed up on. So to access, you can just click the messaging button right here, and what that does is it opens it up so that the messages are available right here for you to be able to see. So what we're going to do is we're going to compose a message. So in order to compose a message, we'll click right here, and then I'm going to send a message to Mr. Marche. To send a message to any teacher, just start typing their last name, or faculty member, you just start typing their last name. It'll be able to send it all there. One of the new items is subject line. So in this case, we're going to send a test message. And this is just to test the messaging feature, and then the message will be sent. And so as we're sitting here, we'll be able to send this message out, and we'll be able to click send. And that message has been sent. And as the message has been sent, we know that it's been sent out. We get the day that it's been sent, and we can see the things that are happening there. So what we're going to do now is we are going to bring up and see what happens when Mr. Marche sends a message back. All right, and Mr. Marche get the message, so he's going to send return. So you can kind of see what it looks like when the faculty member returns a message to you. All right, go here, and now we're going to look at that. And now we're going to share the screen again, and now we can see, we'll refresh the page right here, and we can see that when the message is returned, we had a couple key items. Number one, we get a little notification of a 1. That means we have a message waiting for us in our messages system. So even if it were on our schedule, we can go ahead and click right on that messages, and then we can see who returned that message. Well, Mr. Marche returned our message. We can click right on it, and we can see that our message was returned. Messaging is a very key item to being able to survive as a student at Aquinas, being able to communicate effectively with your faculty members. Please make sure you use messaging as needed, and do not hesitate to message any of your teachers on any items that are coming around. Okay. With that, we will move on to other items that may need to be covered through the Aquinas webpage.